Assuming Gibber's searching for smooth love potion cost expectation scourge for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of smooth love potion SLP will go from now on. We will dissect the previous costs of smooth love potion SLP and we'll figure out what specialists are Gibber about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this jabber and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market freedom. Also anticipating something so wonderful is totally Gibber. However, we will make an honest jabber. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of smooth love potion is $0.023 and SLP is presently positioned #326 in the whole crypto jabber. The dissemination supply of smooth love Gibber is 41,315,560,761 with a market cap of $96,726,718. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by jabber 0.67% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the Gibber with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. From most recent 7 days, the SLP was in great Gibber pattern and expanded by 0.92%. Smooth love potion has Gibber areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. We anticipate Gibber smooth love potion cost expectations of gauge by applying profound man-made brain power helped specialized investigation on the past value information of smooth love potion. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the SLP coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past cost, smooth love potion market cap, smooth love Gibber volume and barely any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into advanced Gibber currencies and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Smooth love Gibber value forecast rundown. Long haul examination recommends that Freedom Love Gibber cost might actually flood to $2.18 by 2050, with an expected reach somewhere in the range of $2.08 and $2.36. There is potential for smooth love potion cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $0.047 toward the finish of 2025. The ongoing business Gibber cost of one smooth love potion is $0.023. The cost of one SLP would reach as high as $0.0266 Gibber by 2030. Examiners project a bullish pattern for smooth love Gibber in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $1.71 mark. Gibber love potion value expectation 2024. The cost of smooth love potion is anticipated to reach at least Gibber of $0.027 in 2024. The smooth love potion cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.03 Gibber, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.028 all through 2024. Smooth love Gibber value forecast 2025. As per our Freedom Gibber examination on past value information of SLP, in 2025 the cost of smooth love potion is estimated to be at around a base worth of $0.038. The smooth love Gibber value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.047 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.039 in USD. Gibber value figure for 2026. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Jabber love potion is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.052. The SLP cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.065 with the typical exchanging cost of Gibber $0.054. Smooth love potion SLP value Gibber 2027. Smooth love potion cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.076 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.089 with the typical gauge cost of $0.078 Jabber. Gibber love potion value forecast 2028. The cost of smooth love potion is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.0109 Gibber in 2028. The smooth love potion cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.013 Gibber with the typical cost of $0.0113 all through 2028. Smooth love potion value Gibber 2029. The cost of one Gibber love potion is supposed to reach at least degree of $0.0154 in 2029. The SLP cost can arrive at a Gibber degree of $0.0185 with the typical cost of $0.016 all through 2029. Jibber Love Potion SLP Value Forecast 2030. According to the Conjecture and Specialized Examination, in 2030 the cost of Smooth Love Jabber is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $0.0229. The SLP cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.0266 Jibber with the typical worth of $0.0236. Smooth Love Jibber Value Figure 2031. Smooth Love Potion cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of 0.0342 Jibber in 2031. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.0406 with the typical estimate cost of Papaya Point Jabber $354. Smooth Love Jibber SLP Value Forecast 2032. The cost of Smooth Love Potion is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of 0.0495 Jibber in 2032. The Jibber Love Potion cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.0597 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.0509 all through 2032. Jibber Love Potion Value Expectation 2033. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SLP, in 2033 the cost of Smooth Love Potion is jabber to reach at least degree of $0.0727. The SLP cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.878 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.0747. Jibber Love Potion Value Gauge 2040. Long-haul forecast ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the innate jibber in the digital money market. Expansion and remaining informed about the most jibber advancements are key techniques for overseeing chances related with long-haul crypto speculations. According to our SLP cost jibber, the year 2040 can end with a most extreme cost of $1.71, while the base value worth of a Smooth Love Jibber can be around $1.40 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $1.49 approximately. Jibber Value Figure for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is jibber, however opinion can be whimsical. Looking at current market elements can offer experiences into jibber cost developments. However, taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2050, the most jabber cost of Smooth Love Potion is supposed to reach $2.36, with a typical exchanging worth of $2.18. The base cost is jibber to be around $2.08. Smooth Love Potion Value Jibber Facts. What amount really does Jibber Love Potion cost in 2025? The cost of Smooth Love Potion will jibber as additional financial backers engage in the venture. In year 2025, Smooth Love Potion will be worth about a normal cost of $0.039 jabber. How high can Jibber Love Papaya go? The typical cost of Smooth Love Jibber SLP could go to $0.028 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effortlessly come to the 0.0113 jabber mark.